How to grow bitter gourd, Ampalaya, step-by-step farming guide. Want to grow a nutritious and profitable vegetable? Bitter gourd, or Ampalaya, is packed with health benefits and is in high demand. In this farming guide, I'll show you how to grow high-yielding bitter gourd step-by-step, from planting to harvesting. Let's get started. There are different varieties of bitter gourd to choose from. The most common ones include short and thick, hybrid varieties, faster growing, high yield, and disease resistant, long and slim, traditional varieties, stronger bitter taste, preferred for organic farming. For best results, use certified seeds from reliable suppliers. Bitter gourd grows best in well-drained loamy soil with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5. Follow these steps. Till the soil 8 to 12 inches deep and remove weeds. Mix in organic compost or well-rotted manure for fertility. Set up trellises or vertical stakes to support vine growth. Trellises help prevent fruit rot and pests, ensuring healthier and longer bitter gourds. Bitter gourd can be grown from seeds or transplants. Here's how to do it. Seed preparation. Soak seeds in warm water overnight for faster germination. Direct sowing. Plant seeds 1 to 2 centimeters deep, 50 centimeters apart in rows. Transplanting. If using seedlings, transfer them when they have 3 to 4 true leaves. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged, and you'll see germination in 7 to 10 days. Bitter gourd needs consistent moisture for fast growth. Here's what to do. Water early in the morning to avoid fungal diseases. Use drip irrigation or furrow watering to prevent overwatering. For best growth, apply these fertilizers. At planting, apply organic compost or 14-14-14 NPK. After 3 weeks, apply nitrogen-rich fertilizer, for example, vermicast or urea for strong vines. During flowering, use phosphorus and potassium, 10-20-10 NPK for fruit development. Balanced nutrients equal more flowers and higher fruit yield. Bitter gourd is prone to pests and diseases, but here's how to control them naturally. Aphids and whiteflies can be managed by spraying neem oil or soapy water. For fruit borers, wrap young fruits with newspaper or mesh bags. To combat powdery mildew and downy mildew, improve air circulation and use organic fungicides. Regular inspection and natural pest control keep your bitter gourd healthy and chemical-free. Bitter gourd starts flowering in 4 to 6 weeks. It has male and female flowers, so proper pollination is needed. If bees are scarce, you can hand pollinate by transferring pollen from male to female flowers. Bitter gourd is ready for harvest in 60 to 70 days after planting. Here's how to know when it's ready. Fruit should be firm, dark green, and 12 to 15 centimeters long. Harvest every 3 to 4 days to encourage continuous fruiting. Use pruning shears to avoid damaging the vines. Store in a cool, dry place or refrigerate to maintain freshness. And that's how you grow high-yielding bitter gourd step by step. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more farming tips. Comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.